Wash your hands, keep the dirt out of sight with me. Let's wash our hands. Gotta keep them germ-free. Let's wash our hands. Gotta keep them germ-free. First step, turn the faucet on, nice and slow, nice and slow. Get your hands wet, let the water flow, let the water flow. Drip, 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 but don't play in it. Grab the soap, just a little dab. Let it all take a trip, 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 trip. Rub your hands together, get the front and back, and in between all of that, don't forget your fingertips. Wash your hands, come on, do it right with me. Wash your hands, keep the dirt out of sight with me. Let's wash our hands. Gotta keep them germ-free. Let's wash our hands. Gotta keep them germ-free. Count to 20, sing a little song like this one. Make it fun, won't take too long. Wash away the dirt, wash away the grime. Clean hands all the time. Rinse the sides off with your hands, let them dry. And use a towel, tell the germs goodbye. Goodbye, healthy hands, oh my, oh my. Healthy hands, oh my. Wash your hands, come on, do it right with me. Wash your hands, keep the dirt out of sight with me. Let's wash our